In this video, I'll be showing you how you can edit your channel details on YouTube Studio on a mobile. So when you do the edit here, it's going to take effect on your big channel. Even if you open it on a laptop or Studio for laptops, and then your main channel on a laptop too as well, everywhere. So all you need to do is tap on your profile there at the top right corner of your screen there. So you just tap on that. Good. And you can see this is my channel here. I just tap on the pencil button, which is edit. Now I can choose to upload an image. I can choose to, that's the cover image, and you can see the profile there. Just tap on that and you see images on your mobile phone, something like that. You can also choose to edit your description and all that, and all is going to take effect straight on your YouTube channel. Yeah. And also you can edit your handles too as well by tapping on that, and you can edit your handle, and you can also edit your links. You can add the links too as well if you want to, and you can do a lot. Your home tab, the way you want your home tab to appear. There are a lot of tutorials on there that, people talk about how you arrange your home tab. You can also do all that on the YouTube Studio here for mobile. So that's it on how you do it on mobile. You can also do it on your Studio for PC as well, which is more flexible. So that's it on how you edit your channel details on YouTube Studio for mobile. If you are new here, you give me a like and subscribe to my channel. Have any question, you let me know in the comment section. That's it for the video. Once again, peace.